Hello my dear student, welcome back on my YouTube channel uniquestudy.com. Today we are going to discuss about the book exercise of the chapter 3. The chapter name is pronoun and it is the class 8. So listen carefully and watch out the complete video, and we have to solve the book exercise of this chapter one by one. So let's start the video. And first exercise is fill in the blanks with the suitable personal or possessive pronoun. Okay, so listen carefully. You can see here is the given summary of the blanks. So you have to use the personal pronoun and possessive pronouns word in the blanks. So here is the first is I am taller than. So you have to use uh, write down C. Okay, C or he, any words. I am taller than she or he. Okay, he is. So it is the personal pronoun. Now second is he is lazy as that brother of mine. You have to write down here mine. Okay, mine. And third is they are far better players than you. So you have to write down here you, and the sentence will be they are far better players than you. Okay, and after that you have to use full stop. And in the fourth, my sister here is longer than and longer than my. Okay, M-I-N-E, it is the personal pronoun. Now possessive pronoun. Okay, now next is fifth, I am sure that nobody will help you, but after the but you have to write down I. Okay, I am sure that nobody will help you, but I. Now six is she knows her responsibility as well as him. Okay, write down him. That's clear. And now look the book exercise number 7. Sorry, option number 7. My father is furious with me. Okay, in the first blanks you have to write down me. I have lost a favorite book. His. In the last blanks you have to write down his. Okay, and in the 8, who did this? Mother asked. It was me. In the first blank you have to write down me, but the idea was his. Okay, replied Akash. That's clear. Now option number 9, Rita is very happy. The essay that won the competition is. Okay, is after is you have to write down hers. Okay, hers, and she is a wonderful piece of writing. That's clear. And the option number 10, Mr. Rathore is nominee for the election between you and him. Okay, you and him. She, he. You can write down he. Okay, he is a truly deserved candidate. Okay, so I hope you all understand the book's exercise number 1. Now look the book's exercise number B. Okay, uh, fill in the blanks with the suitable demonstrative or interrogative pronouns. So you have to read out the whole passage. It is the passage, and to complete this passage by using the demonstrative words of the pronouns and interrogative words of the pronoun. So let's start and know which word will use in the blanks. At dawn we started to climb the mountain road. This is ancient. Okay, in the first blanks you have to write down this. Okay, this is an ancient road. It lead to a monastery and a temple. Okay, those were those were built about 200 years ago, said my guide Kabu, pointing the some low huts by the roadside. On either side of the narrow track grew many unfamiliar flowers. What spelling of what? WHAT. What are the flowers called? I asked. Okay, So you have to write down in the first blank, these are, it is the demonstrative, these are orchids, and this in the distance are rhododendrons. Okay, rhododendrons, said a local youth who had joined us. Now next, this is proving to be an even better track than I had expected, I said to my friend. Yes, I indeed, he replied. After the reply, you have to write down what. Okay, what is that fellow racing up at a great pace while we are panting behind him? I looked at the man in front, wondering at his incredible speed. Suddenly, there was a sudden shout, "Look at these!" Okay, look at these, said my guide, pointing at a distant peak that you would like to try to climb that peak. We looked at each other and shook our head. That seemed like an impossible dream. Okay, so this is the exercise number B. I hope you all understand. Now look the exercise number C. Okay, first we know what is the work of this exercise. Correct the errors in the use of pronouns in these sentences. Identify whether the pronoun that you have replaced and reflexive, emphasizing, distributive and reciprocal are indefinite. Okay, so first you identify the errors in the sentence that given, and after that make it correct. You have to write the name of the pronouns. Okay, so look here first. I did not buy neither of the two pens. In place of neither, you have to write any. Okay, A and Y, and write down here, I did not buy any of two pen. Okay, and in the bracket you have to write down distributive. Okay, distributive pronoun. That's clear. There is no place, no room, so I can't write here, and I have no pen, so it is unable to write here. So now look the second, I filled up the form herself. So you can see here is the I. So in place of I, so here is the I, and in place of herself you have to write down, or you have to change the C. In place of I you have to write down C. Okay, the sentence will be changed. Okay, she filled up the form herself, and it is the reflexive pronoun. In the bracket you have to write reflexive pronoun. And third is, one must be careful about what he says. So in place of he you have to write down one. Okay, and rewrite the sentence, and it will be the indefinite pronoun. That clear? Now look the fourth option. You will only do well if you help one, the coach told the team. So in place of one you have to write down each other, and rewrite the sentence, and in the brackets you have to write down reciprocal. Okay, and in the fifth, Jaya himself. So you can see here is the female, so change the himself into herself, herself, and this sentence will be the here is the pronoun emphasizing. Okay, here is the no place, so you have to write down emphasizing noun. And 6 is some of the boys was given a balloon. Okay, so in place of some you have to write down each, each. Each of the boys were given balloons, and the sentence will be pronoun will be distributive. Write down distributive pronoun in the brackets. Okay, now 7th is Raj didn't tell someone that he needed help. Okay, in place of someone, you have to write down anyone, and rewrite the sentence. And in the bracket, you have to write down indefinite. Okay, indefinite pronoun. And the 9th is any of the company business is done in India. So in place of any, oh here is the one is left, every. Okay, in place of every you have to write down each. Okay, and in the last you have to write down distributive. Okay, and in place of any you have to write down many, and in the last you have to write down indefinite. Okay, and in the 10th, in place of itself you have to write down myself, and it is the reflexive. That's clear. So now come on next. Oh, here's the missing of the next page. So I tell you about that. 11th is none doesn't know what to say in such a situation. So in place of none, you have to write down anyone, and in the last you have to write down indefinite pronoun. Okay, and in the 12, in place of either, okay, and in 12, although he is an Indian, either of his companies is set in India. In place of either, you have to fill the word one. Okay, in place of either, you have to write one, and in the last, you have to write down indefinite pronoun. Okay, in the bracket, you have to write down indefinite pronoun. That's clear. Now come on, exercise number D. There are some errors in the use of the relative pronouns in these sentences. Correct pronouns in these sentences. Correct the errors. Okay. So here is some of the mistake in the sentence. So you have to use the correct pronouns word and make it correct. Okay. So look, exercise number D. There are some errors in the option number 1. She is the girl that was selected to play the protagonist roles. So in this sentence you have to write down she is the girl. In place of that you have to write down who. Okay, who selected to play the protagonist role. In the second, by strawberry ice cream, it is the only flavor what he likes. So you have to write down by the strawberry ice cream is correct, and it is the only flavor. In place of what you have to write down that. Okay, that he likes. Okay. Now third option is that is the boy to who the judge gave the prize. So you have to read that is the boy. In place of who you have to write down the relative pronoun who. Okay, WHOM, whom. That's clear. Now fourth option, this is the puppy who we rescued from the street. So in place of who, write down which, WHICH, which. In place of who, you have to write down which. That's clear. Now next, option number 5. Option number 5, the car which headlights were on has broken down. So in this sentence you have to write down the car whose headlights were on has broken down. That's clear. Now 6 is, these are the kittens that we saw in the garden yesterday. So in this you have to write down which. In place of that, the sentence will be, these are the kittens which we saw in the garden yesterday. Okay, and in the 7th, this is the road what lead to the hospital. So in place of what, you have to write down that. Okay, the sentence will be, this is the road that lead to the hospital. Okay, now look at the option number 8. The form who I had to fill up yesterday were very complicated. So in place of whom, you have to write down which. Okay, you have to fill the word which, and the sentence will be, the form which I had to fill up yesterday were very complicated. Okay, and 9th option is, this is the boy which father is a mountaineer. So in place of which, you have to write down whose. Okay, WHOSE, whose. Okay, the sentence will clear. Now 10 is, she collected all the items which she needed for the experiment. Okay, so she collected all the items which. So I think here is the correct sentence. So here is no need of the changing. So you have to write as a same sentence. And now next is of exercise number is, join each of these sets of the sentences which a relative pronoun one has been done for you. So you can see Mr. Roy is architect. His design have won his many awards. So you can see here is the make a sentence and using the relative pronoun. The Mr. Roy is a architect whose design have won him many awards. Okay, so same as you have to change it into the using the relative pronoun and make a single sentence or one sentence. Okay, so I think it is need for the another page. So you have to see here is the answer of the question. Second is, the medicines have been withdrawn by the medical council. The medicine were used to treat bacterial infections. So answer will be, the medicine which were used to treat bacterial infection have been withdrawn medical council. That's clear. Now second is third is, I stopped the ambulance. I was speeding down the road, and the answer will be, I stopped the ambulance which was speeding down the road. That's clear. Now fourth is, the diary was preserved by the family. It belongs to grandfather. And when you have to rewrite the sentence by using the relative pronoun, the sentence will be, the diary which belongs to grandfather was preserved by the family. That's clear. Now fifth is, the hurricane is heading toward the next town. The hurricane has caused extensive damage in our town. and you have to fill in the fifth option. The hurricane which caused extensive damage in our town is heading toward the next town. That's clear. Now 6 is the writer will visit us next week. I admire the writer, and then in the 6 you have to write down the writer whom I admire will visit us next week. That's clear. Now 7 is we received a good offer for the house, we accepted it. And when you use the relative pronoun, the sentence will be we received a good offer for the house which we accepted. And 8 is we went to a hotel, it was recommended by you. And the answer will be we went to the hotel which was recommended by you. Okay. Now 9th is this lunch box is broken, it belongs to my sister. And the answer is this lunch box which is broken belongs to my sister. Now next question is he took me to see the dilapidated building, he is repairing it. And the answer will be he took me to see the dilapidated building which he was is repairing. So remove the he. Okay, it is the wrong word. So which he was, sorry, not he was and he. Okay, both are cut down, and you have to write down which he is repairing. Okay, why? Because the sentence is in present tense, he is repairing. That's clear. So you have to remove the word he and was. Okay, and you have to write down which he is repairing. So I hope you all understand about the chapter, and we meet in the next video. So thank you for the watching video.